guys, and we're back to another video. Alright, so I have my friends. Sorry about this. But my friends, Little Hamster and Ray. And she's sitting right here texting. Or doing something. Get back here.
I'm deleting photos.
She's deleting photos. Well, no.
Can someone hug this?
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Well, this is my Elmo video that I made. This is my Elmo video that I made.
Can I?
That's so funny.
Can I hold her?
Squeaks over there. She's
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
so soft. Feel her.
I know,
I
she's so
just-
soft.
Guys.
Okay.
Oh, she's so soft.
If you see the police pulling up, it might be your stairway.
The police is
Let's get out of here. I'm kind of freaked out.
Get in the backyard.
Come on.
Backyard. Hurry, get in the backyard.
I actually feel like the police are coming.
Yeah.
So guys, my brother did this stupid thing where he called the police and said, we're in a bad thing. No, I think the dog's out there. We're not going back there. We're just going to stay back here.
I called the police. You guys were talking. And I ended the call in 23 seconds.
Okay. So guys, my brother just told you what he did, but it was stupid.
Guys, I am serious now.
He did a serious thing. So,
Phone in my hand. This is the phone I called them with.
so we're just going to sit down and relax with our little hamsters.
Try to hope that
Wait, I'll tell them it's a false alarm.
this is
Dee, 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 dee. Ham, ham, I'm a little hamster. I'm a little hamster. She doesn't like you. She doesn't like the viewers. I'm sorry, viewers. I kind of like you. Kind of like you guys. I just started this today.
It's a false alarm.
I just did a video. I'm going to try to do 2 videos a day for you guys. But I don't know what I'm doing.
Just saying it was a false alarm.
Okay.
You were talking.
So I don't know what I'm going to do. B-U-S. I'm a little No, Malcolm. I'm a little viewer. Oh, 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 oh. I view her every day. I view her every night. I view her every day and night. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, 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 ew. Kick, kick,
Just
kick.
drop her.
I'm not dropping her.
Just let her go. She can't get out.
Stop saying stuff, guys.
I'm a little viewer. She's so cute. She is a viewer of mine. I'm going to just put her on the table. Put her on the table. She is a cute little viewer. She is very soft. Sorry if you don't have a hamster. Actually, my friend's selling her for $15. So if you want her, go to my friend's house. And I don't know my address, so I'm sorry. No.
Can I hold her?
But if you like my videos, Sophie, do you remember my address? Sophie. Sophie. My name is Oli, and my mom's name is Mandy, so if you find her. But what is my address?
it's 719.
Guys,
Okay, so go to 719 Pepper Street, Pepper Place if you want to find me.
Where did you get those?
And you will find me, because I live on Pepper Place. I live on Pepper Place. I live on Pepper Place. Oh, yeah. So I won't do a musical, but I might get musical. But I might do it on my friend's side. But I'm going to get an account for me.
for a little bit?
Fine. So my brother's going to hold Hammy. My cousin will if he wants. But let's view her now. She's so cute. So, guys, I want to go and I want to do another video. So we're going to figure out what we're going to do in the next video. Peace out. Have a nice day. See you later. Look what my friend's doing to her. She's like freaking out. Freak out. So, peace out. Blah, blah. Okay, I'm not signing out there. Bye. Bo. See you in the next video. Peace out. See ya. Subscribe.